Started off small, didn't do it all. Now when I'm without it, I feel like I dropped the ball. Shit'll hit you hard and feel like you hitting a wall. I gotta stay stocked, I always keep my plug on call. Gotta fill up this hole that was left from you. I'm running low on meds cause I'm always blue. I try to hit up my friends but they don't come through. Hard to take you off, you're a heart tattoo. Girl, you know I'm about it, self-care habit. That's the reason you left, but you vanished like magic. I'm still sleeping rough, it's been months, it's tragic. Was getting with other girls, if I saw it, I had it. Didn't feel the void, it was all hollow. Now I'm still alone, call me Han Solo. I'm traveling the stars in this hot box car. I'm dealing with the ink that's still in my heart. Whoa. Wore my heart around my wrist, now you get the gist. How I don't deal with love very well, and I'm pissed about the color of my dreams is a very mean thing. Nightmares in my sleep, borderline insane. Walk around the day like I don't give a damn. I'm quick to move on and that's just how I am. The back of my mind is a whole different story. Don't need my permission and just take the wheel from me. I'm not so hung up now, baby girl, I'm fine. You just sneak around in my mind sometimes. February 14th, no Valentine's. I just sit with my keyboard and write my rhymes. Life will be good for us both, baby girl. Even though you're no longer part of my world, I'm happy that all we have are good times. If I put you in a song, is it really a crime? No. I'm in New York, real life, feel like a dream. Bus from a small town vibe with the same scene. Central Park got good air, but I can't breathe. Feel alone with the main people next to me. Pull from a pre-roll 40 with a white tee. A glimmer in my eye, cause I know you don't miss me. Open their eyes, any girl that try to kiss me. Toxin on my lips, I guess. Curveball, I've been put to the test. Shit hits the fan, but I still try to live my best. Yeah, it's a cold world, so I bundle up my chest. But I got some damn good friends at least. Skyscrapers are the kings of the streets. Humanity tower over me, pick up my feet. All the people walk around with the mask they believe. Everyone wanna realize their own dreams. And I can give you real talk in a city that'll pass you by without a second thought. And I can see you've all been through a lot. You be dodging every question, gotta have a big confession. Yeah, haven't learned my lesson even after all these lessons. Oh, please give me the strength to help the people with the broke soul. Life is too damn short to dwell on pain, so let's enjoy it all. Please just enjoy it all, rest at the end. Yeah, I'm in New York, real life got clarity. Magic in the day, smile at the girl next to me. Spare change, give it to the people on the corner street. Damn good day when you feel like living. Look into the sky cause I feel like soaring. I break a crooked smile even when it starts pouring. The pain that you feel, let it go, it's annoying. First day of the rest of our lives, my friends. Join the party, beautiful shorty, you can lean right on me. Stumbling cause you be grinding hard through the day. And I'm not sorry, no I'm not sorry that I share my whole damn essence as a man. But I'll be gone in a day. Remember the conversations you had with me. I won't let you drift away like other memories. And one thing's for sure, the city have a strange hold on me. I'm from the west side, with the east side, got me feeling so high. Ooh, east side got me feeling so high. life gets real. This is dedicated to everybody that I love who already made it. Life's a test and these real ones graduated full honors, feeling somber. When I'm down, feeling stressed, at least I get to live a little longer, feeling blessed. I try to set myself apart and not live like the rest. Your day is bland, stop complaining, find a little zest. You don't have to search far. If it's dark, walk outside, breathe the air and see heaven's stars, live large. But you don't need a fancy house or them sports cars. I'm tired of my favorite rappers flexing about gold chains and flying private planes. I can't connect to any other things that you saying. What about pain? You gotta hurt so you can know, fall so you can grow, yeah, lose so you can gain. Cause the greatest lessons that we learn in life come from pain. Flower in my pocket for those rainy days. This is dedicated to everybody that I love who already made it. Life's a test and these real ones graduated full honors, feeling somber. That's a part of life, gotta walk this road a little longer. This is dedicated to everybody that I love who already made it. Life's a test and these real ones graduated full honors, feeling somber. What happens after is a question that I often ponder. Yeah, I'm binge praying like an addict. I don't pray for me too much, so that's my mama's habit. Speaking of the habits, my choice drugs always love, but that's some hard shit, something you can never buy from a plug. What's up, bruh? Why you acting all tough? I'm tired of being tough, I'd rather feel than be bottled up. Diamond in the rough, shining polished, getting buffed up, healing from the cuts. I wish everybody self-loved. Hey, no, I won't sweat the little things. Words from my uncle, had his funeral this last Saturday. God's great, my little cousins, his two boys, tell them that their daddy's somewhere better, full of peace and joy. Whoa. Ghosts in my dreams intervene. All the things I've seen turn a pretty boy into a broke thing. I stitch all the seams, all these patterns that make me. I'm not afraid to change the way I see things. This is dedicated to everybody that I love who already made it. Life's a test and these real ones graduated full honors, feeling somber. That's a part of life, gotta walk this road a little longer. This is dedicated to everybody that I love who already made it. Life's a test and these real ones graduated full honors, feeling somber. What happens after is a question that I often ponder. Yeah. What? R.I.P. T.I.D.